Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Mountain. Welcome back. Today is episode number 205. In today's video, just like every week, I'm going to go over 5 questions I received from some of you guys. I have a new powerful code for you and also a question to help some of you guys who start NVC process or I-130 process in general. Okay. So if you discover me for the first time, like I said, my name is John. My main goal here is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also U.S. citizens regarding the I-130 process, other immigration questions, and also anything that can help newcomers to have a better life here in the United States of America. Before we start on this video, I want to wish you guys a happy Sunday. I hope your day is going well. So guys, without further ado, let's start with a powerful and positive quote that I have for you today. USA Mon. And by the way, whatever advice I provide on this channel is not legal advice. Any advice I'm going to provide in this video is not legal advice. If you want legal advice, you need to talk to an immigration lawyer or attorney, okay? So today's quote is coming from Wayne Dyer. Here is the quote. Go for it now. The future is promised to no one. Again, go for it now. The future is promised to no one. Yeah, the future is not promised. You don't know if you're going to see Monday. You don't know if you're going to see next year. You don't know you're going to see, you're going to be here in 10 years, But if there's something you want to do it now. Don't wait. That's what this quote is about. I think it's a powerful quote because most of the time we just keep waiting, thinking that we're going to live forever on this earth. No, it's not possible. So if you have to do something, you're thinking about something you want to start, go and start. Okay. So guys, and let me know in the description below, what do you think about this quote? So now let's start with the questions that I have for you today. The first question of today's video is coming from Francisco Chiono 8860. Here is the question. Good day, my cousin who is documentary certified since January 2021 and 20 years and then is still waiting for interview date because of the backlog caused by 2019 COVID 2019. Now he's on 22 years. Is the age going to affect him? This is F4 category, Nigeria. Well, thanks for the question. This is a good question. There are a lot of people, a lot of children who are in this situation. Their petition was filed when they're underage, and now they are adult children, and and they're asking questions if they still qualify to get an immigrant visa to come to United States of America. So for this one, there's something called CSPA, Child Status Protection Act, meaning that when the petition was filed for the child, when the child was underage, even though the child becomes adult children, they still consider as a minor. Okay, they still consider as underage because they deduct on their waiting time from their age, and that's the reason why they still are underage. But what I'm going to recommend you is to contact USCIS just to double check if that child still qualified to get immigrant visa to come to United States of America. In another word, if that child is covered by the CSPA, Child Status Protection Act, okay? Because a lot of children are protected by that act. Even though they become adult children, they still get an immigrant visa to come to United States of America. So guys, and let's move to question number 2. This one is coming from Adam Barry 620. Here is the question. Hi John, there is a way to predict my visa interview. My wife is the petitioner. She's a green card holder. I'm waiting for interview letter now 7 months ago. Thanks, sir. Well, thanks for the question. I talk about this a lot, okay? After your case is documentary qualified, there is nothing you can do but wait. Okay, but wait. In this case, this person is waiting for 7 months, and the petitioner is a green card holder. One thing you have to keep in mind is that they prioritize on U.S. citizen petitioners than the green card holder petitioners. Meaning that if your petitioner is a green card holder, you're gonna wait a little bit longer. The person who's a petitioner is a U.S. citizen, especially in the spousal visa process. Okay, so just wait, because I know, not only that I know, but people send me question every time, their petitioner, U.S. citizen, they're married to U.S. citizen, but they've been waiting for like a year now to get an interview appointment letter. Okay, you just have to keep waiting. So the main thing here is just because of the amount of people who are applying your category, or who are waiting for interview appointment letter. If the size is big, the waiting time is going to be longer. Okay, just keep waiting. As long as NVC doesn't ask for additional document, you are good. You just have to keep waiting. Well, but like, I said that, but sometimes things happen. Okay, things happen. It might be a situation like emergency situation. Well, if you're in that situation, or in a hardship and all those stuff, you can expedite your case. That's when you send a request to NVC to let them know. Okay, so that's another option as well. But other than that, you just have to keep waiting. So guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, please click on the like button, just to boost the video, so a lot of people can see it. Share it as well. Okay, it's very important. So let's move to question number 3 here. Question number 3, this one is coming from Betty Mason 8506. Here is the question. Good day, USA Mother. God bless, sir. I have a question. A petition for my husband from Nigeria. On the affidavit of support, I make enough money for 2 household member, but I have a disabled daughter that receives her own income, but I file her on my taxes, but I don't want to use on her income because she's a household member, and my household will be 3 people. So do I need to get a joint sponsor, or just send proof that my daughter receive on her own income? Thanks so much. Well, I don't, maybe she probably put sir, for responding back to me. Well, thanks for the question. So for this one, this person's daughter is disabled, therefore she receive income for her disability, and the person who's asking the question, who is the petitioner, want to know if she can use her daughter's income as well to petition for her husband. Okay, so for this one, there is 2 options. You can use your daughter's income, or you cannot use it. And you say you don't want to use it. If you don't want to use it, you can just look for a joint sponsor who can help you, petition for your husband. But in case you want to use the daughter's income, your daughters have to file her household I-864A, which is a household member affidavit of support. That way she will add her income to your income to petition for your husband. Okay, but in case, again, if you don't want to do that, you have option to file to look for a joint sponsor. So guys, let's move to question number 4 here. This one is coming from Rihanna Singh 9135. Here is the question. Hi sir, can you get a permit to work in the U.S. or working visa when you receive your I-797 notice of action? Well, thanks for the question. So for this one, I-797, just a notice of action, meaning that when somebody file a petition on your behalf, or you receive that letter, just it means USCIS receive your case. Okay, and then they're gonna start working on it. That letter itself doesn't mean anything. Okay, that it doesn't mean anything. So in order to work here in the United States of America, you either have your green card. Okay, so if you got your green card, yeah, you can work in the United States of America. I know there is a situation where if the green card is taking longer, and then you can apply for work permit, but I don't know exactly the time frame for that. But you cannot work with your just your I-797, which is just a notice of action, meaning that USCIS will receive your case, like I said. Okay, guys, and let's move to question number 5 here. This one is coming from Suleiman Neisa 4820. Here is the question. Good morning, sir. Please, I won the DV lottery, but I don't have a baccalaureate. I only have on my work diploma, which is the barbershop. Am I eligible for the rest of the procedure? So thank you so much. Well, thanks for the question. This one is regarding DV lottery visa, which is a program put in place by the U.S. government to bring people from other countries to come to United States of America and become a green card holder, permanent resident. Okay, but I know for sure that there is a requirement to register for that program. You have to have at least a baccalaureate, which is equivalent to a high school diploma here. But this person doesn't have that. He only have a work diploma for a barber shop. And I don't think that would work because they put it on the website that before you register for the program, you have to have that high school diploma, which is a requirement to register for that program. So yeah, but if you want more clarification, you need to contact KCC and let them know, and then they're gonna I'll tell you exactly, if you're going to be able to continue the process or not. But in my knowledge, and that's what I know, you cannot you cannot continue the process based on the diploma requirement. Okay, I mean the high school diploma requirement. All right. So guys, those are the 5 questions I want to cover in this video. Now I have a question. Let's cover this question before we talk about NVC update for this week that is ending. So the question I have for you today, for you guys who are in I-130 process, or who may be thinking about starting the process, I have a question for you that can help you. Okay, here is the question. If you are planning to adjust on status with USCIS, do not submit any fee payment requested by NVC, true or false? If you are planning to adjust on status of USCIS, do not submit any fee payment requested by NVC, true or false? What do you think? True, false? True. Okay. So if you, let's say somebody petition for you now, you move to United States of America before even you get an immigrant visa to before even maybe USCIS approve your case. Okay, if you move to United States of America and then after that they approve your case, well, you know that when the petitioner file or your petition, they're saying that okay, you're gonna continue, you're gonna go through the consular route, meaning that you get a visa, to immigrant visa, to come to United States of America. But in this case, since you already moved to United States of America, the petitioner has to contact the NVC to let them know that no, you're going to continue the process in the United States of America. Therefore, the fee, the affidavit of support fee, and the immigrant visa fee is no longer necessary. Therefore, you will contact the USCIS and let them know that okay, the beneficiary will continue the process in the United States of America, meaning that the beneficiary will adjust his or her status here in the United States of America. If you pay that fee, I don't think you can get the money back, but I just want to let you know, if you are in this situation and NVC is asking for that fees, don't pay that fees, because the process, the beneficiary will continue the process with USCIS instead of NVC. Okay, so guys, let's talk about NVC update of this week that is ending. So this week on NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on June 13 or 2023. Or some of you guys will receive a welcome letter with your case number, invoice ID. You will start paying fees and submit document to start the immigrant visa process. And some of you guys who already submit on those your document, NVC announced on the website that they are working on the one they receive from you guys on July 11, 2023. Once they go through everything, your document to qualify, they will let you know. If there is a document missing, they will let you know as well. And then the third update is regarding inquiries. They announced on their website that they are responding to the inquiries they received from you guys on July 18, 2023. Make sure you check your inbox so you don't miss an email coming from NVC, National Visa Sender. So guys, basically that's what I have for you today. Okay, we cover NVC update, we cover powerful code, we cover the questions I received from some of you guys, and also the questions that I have for you that can help you to continue your immigrant visa process. I mean, basically your I-130 petition process. Okay, so if you like the video, like always, go and share with people you know, especially people you know will benefit from it. If you like it, click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, click on the bell. If you want to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button. And also, if you want to support the channel, you can go to our website to purchase at least one t-shirt. The link is in the description below. Once again, my name is John. Whatever you do today, do it peacefully, no stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video.
USA Monde.